Big time news, large Ethereum whales grab 4.5 trillion Shiba Inu as price begins to recover all of a sudden. Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. The ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now look at this and I'll zoom in just a little bit. Whale Stats tracker of largest wallets on Ethereum, BSC, and a few other blockchains has reported that over the past 3 days, the top 100 whales on Ethereum or ETH have purchased more than 855 billion of SHIB. Interesting. Besides a few days ago, an eye-twitching 3.3 trillion Shiba was transferred by anonymous wallets. So it's a lot of money being moved around all of a sudden. Okay, whales grab transfer 4.35 trillion of Shiba. Now more stats coming from Whale Stats. Over the past 3 days, top Ethereum wallets owners added a total of 855 billion Shiba Inu worth $9.6 million. Now, I'm going to skip over to right here. September 21st, their compromised SHIB stash total data number of Shiba Inu meme coin, which is quite a bit of money, 125 million in Shiba Inu meme coins. By now, this amount of meme crypto have increased to 134 million worth of SHIB, which is quite a bit. Also, 3 days ago, two anonymous wallets exchanged a whopping, wow, that amount of SHIB evaluated at $37 million. On the day of the transfer, this sum in fiat was 2 million smaller. So it's a lot of money being shipped around over the last couple of days. And over the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu token gained more than 8%, rising to that amount of terms of the price. However, the price has dropped 2.5% since then, and the coin is trading at this price on Bitstamp exchange. So the big news today, large Ethereum whales grab 4.5 trillion Shiba as price begins to recover. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and then I will see you on the next video.